Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Limited Snipers, back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing more. Well, actually, this will be another MM2 video on a new account that I have gotten. If you guys look at my inventory, if you go to my inventory here, you can see I have a Seer, Snowflake, some uncommons, and Alex, a Dennis, and a few other things for this. And to not also mention, guys, this is another video to say that I am playing MM2. So I have my friend Kuro, or as we all know him, or as I know him, XEROX_RB, is in my flippin' game. So let's all start. You guys can all join in if can't resolve a host name. Okay. So if you guys do want to be part of my YouTube or part of the Pack Squad, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and also smash that like button to be notified of when I upload. And also make sure to leave a like, guys, because I don't know what is going to happen with me and my friend Kuro. So I'm gonna add my friend Kuro into this Discord call because why not? He's my friend. He's my friend. So don't. No, you can join the VIP if you want. The hosting issue? Let me see. Cause I configured it and my friend joined. Yeah, J-Bull the Gamers. That's your name. There we go. Now try. Now try and rejoin. But so guys, I'm doing MM2, just a basic battle. Okay. We're doing Simon Says, guys, so please note, we're doing Simon Says. I'm gonna add Kuro into this. Here you are, Kuro. Stop ringing bull, I guess. Kuro, join call. So basically, guys, what I'm basically doing for this video is, I'm doing a full-on MM2 recording, for all expenses. This video will also be going out to a few of my friends. Shout out to, Kuro Ukami. And also another shout out to, Bull. So, if you guys are new, please make sure to subscribe. No, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, Kuro. I do not. Still don't hear you. But guys, be sure to subscribe because we are a popular. So, whoever has, no, I cannot hear you. No. So basically, guys, what I'm also gonna be saying is you guys need to, you guys basically need, yeah. So, basically, whoever has the knife is the Simon Says, and whoever has the revolver is not the Simon Says. Yes, it's my friend Kuro. Kuro, where are you? Because I'm also trying to find you, and you have the knife, and we're running out of time. We're running out of time, Kuro. Kuro is somewhere. No, if you have the knife, you're Simon Says. You're Simon Says. You have to say Simon Says, like in the game, since I can't hear you in the Discord call. Simon Says, yeah. What do you say? Because I have the revolver. I have the revolver. I have the revolver. I have the revolver. You didn't say battle. You didn't say battle. You didn't say it. You didn't say. Well, yeah, I know. Yeah. What? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Guys. Yeah, I can hear. Yeah, Kuro. So basically, yes. So basically, guys, this is Simon Says. Yes. So, guys, so basically, guys, this is Simon Says. So if you have the knife, you are Simon Says. But if you have the gun, you are the sheriff. Yes. Yes, please do. Oh, I'm Simon. I'm Simon Says. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Okay, I'm Simon. Simon Says. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Simon Says stand still or AFK, one of the two. Yeah. Yeah, don't kill you, yeah. But hurry, because we only have like 160 seconds. Woo! What's up, guys? You can introduce me too. You can say who you're with. Woo! What's up, guys? Hi, Kid Friendly Bamboo 88 here with XEROX. Okay, Simon Says stand still. Simon Says put your gun away. Simon Says jump twice. Follow me. Oh, you followed me! I didn't say Simon Says. If I don't say Simon Says, you don't follow me. So, guys, if you are new to the Pack Squad, please subscribe. Turn on post notifications, leave a like, and comment down below what you think I should do for another video, because I will also be uploading whenever I can. You can talk to your subscribers too if you want, Carl. Just like what I said, guys, and you can also see this video on Kuro's channel. I'll probably link his channel. Yep, I'm Simon. So I might link his channel in the description down below. To basically, I didn't say Simon, so I win that round. I ruined that round. Guys, I win that round because he did not see I didn't say Simon, so I win that round. So guys, please subscribe, please. It would be the most awesomest thing. That would be my friend Jable. So, yeah, Jable. Yeah, he's a YouTuber. No. No, it's not. It's not that Jable. It's not the big Jable. Okay, okay. You're just like Simon Says battle on that. Just get you. 3-0. I don't know, guys, if this is gonna how long. I don't know when I'm gonna upload another video. This is just a video to. Yep, and same here, but I don't know when I'll upload or when Kuro will upload. I mostly publish videos every single day, and I know I haven't done live streams in a while. I've been kind of busy with spring break, and I've also been to Colorado Springs. Yeah, I use Hangouts on my live streams. Okay, yep, you're Simon. You're Simon. So I'm not Simon though, but you are. So I'm gonna let you be like Simon because you're the murderer. So okay, okay. Why? Why? Oh, okay. You win that one. You win that one. 3-1, guys. 3-1. 3-1. It's just Simon Says, so it's 3-1. 3-1. Yes, if you guys want to join us, I will maybe yeah. And guys, add me on Roblox too. My user is SenpaiLegend420. And you can also add me on Discord. My user on Discord is Fortnite Verified 8003. So I'm Simon. Oh, okay. Simon Says me in the lobby where the big water is. You know where the mine cart is. Like, where are you? You know where the red tunnel is? Like that big red tunnel? Okay, where are you? State your location. What's around you? Oh, you see Xyleak. Do you see Xyleak? Okay, that's yeah. Okay. Simon Says jump. Simon Says wave. Okay. Simon Says go hide. It's getting tricky. Oh my god, this game's gonna get tricky. Simon Says go to one of the lockers. Simon Says meet me where we were at the beginning. Yeah. Simon Says stop. Simon Says go straight or I kill you. Not that way. This way. This way. I'll show you. Simon Says follow me. Simon, or go up the ladder. Go up the ladder. Simon Says come up the ladder. Simon Says hide in one of these lockers. Go, go, go. Simon Says fight! Oh no. But that's because 4-0 or 4-1. 4-1. Yeah, take some L's. Take some L's, bruh. Take some L's. No. No, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Guys, it's not over yet. Don't worry. We will